Which one of the following is not a Harappan site? The correct option is Sohgora. Which of the following is not an Indus Valley Civilization site? The correct option is Patliputra. The largest site of Harappan in India is? The correct option is Rakhigdi. Dadheri is a late Harappan site of? The correct option is Punjab. For the Harappan cultural sites and its position, which one of the following is not correctly matched? The correct option is Rakhigdi, Rajasthan. Which of the following is not correctly matched? The correct option is Kalibangan, Haryana. What is the correct north-south sequence of the following civilizations? The correct option is Aztec Maya Muisca. Rangpur, where the contemporary of Harappan civilization found, is in? The correct option is Saurashtra. Which of the following civilizations flourished on the bank of River Nile? The correct option is Egyptian civilization. The Indus Valley culture was different from the Vedic civilization because? The correct option is all of the above. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? The correct option is Dholavira, B.K. Thapar. Consider the following statements and select the correct answer from the given codes. The correct option is I and 2 are correct. What is the correct chronological order in which the following appeared in India? The correct option is 4, 3, 2 and I. Match the following Harappan sites with their modern names. The correct option is A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Match the following archaeological sites with their significant findings. The correct option is A, 2, B, 1, C, 4, D, 3. Match the Harappan sites with their respective archaeological remains. The correct option is A, 1, B, 2, C, 4, D, 3. Match the Harappan settlements with the rivers they were located on. The correct option is A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Match the Harappan sites with their respective Indian state or union territory. The correct option is A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4.